Your home's exterior says a lot about you. Whether you're preparing to sell or simply want to fall in love with your house all over again, boosting curb appeal is one of the smartest investments you can make. One of the most effective, yet often overlooked, ways to do this is through window replacement in Scott. Modern, stylish, and energy-efficient windows don't just improve your home's look, they elevate its entire atmosphere and long-term value. The visual transformation. Modern windows for modern homes. Old or worn-out windows can make even the most beautiful home appear dated or neglected. Replacing them with new designs instantly revitalizes your home's exterior. Today's windows come in a wide range of frame materials, colors, and styles, from sleek vinyl and classic wood to contemporary aluminum and fiberglass. For example, casement or picture windows offer clean, uninterrupted lines that complement modern architecture, while double-hung or bay windows add timeless elegance to traditional homes. Homeowners in Scott can choose from finishes that match their siding, trim, or roofing to create a cohesive, well-balanced look. Upgrading your windows also allows you to harmonize the exterior with your landscaping, doors, and lighting. The result? A home that looks polished, welcoming, and perfectly aligned with your aesthetic goals. Natural light. Bright interiors that shine outside. A major advantage of new windows is the increased natural light they bring indoors. Bright, airy interiors are not just enjoyable to live in, they also enhance how your home is perceived from the outside. Large, clear panes make rooms appear more open and inviting, giving off a warm glow that's visible from the curb. Imagine walking or driving past a Scott home in the evening. Soft, natural light streaming through spotless, energy-efficient glass conveys a sense of comfort and modern living. The balance of interior light and exterior beauty makes your property stand out, especially when complemented by attractive landscaping or new exterior paint. Energy efficiency that enhances value and comfort. Window replacement isn't just about looks, it's about performance too. Older windows often have cracks, single-pane glass, or poor seals that allow drafts, dust, and moisture to sneak in. This affects not only your comfort but also your utility bills. Modern energy-efficient windows use double or triple pane glass, low-E coatings, and insulated frames to maintain consistent indoor temperatures. This means your HVAC system doesn't have to work as hard, saving you money in the long run. In Scott's variable climate, where hot summers and cool winters are common, this feature alone can significantly improve your home's comfort. Plus, eco-friendly improvements like energy-saving windows are highly attractive to potential buyers. They see immediate value in lower energy costs and reduced maintenance needs. Increased home value and buyer appeal. Curb appeal isn't just about pride of ownership, it's also about return on investment. Real estate experts consistently note that homes with new windows sell faster and at higher prices. When prospective buyers see updated windows, they associate them with good maintenance and modern standards. In Scott's competitive housing market, this can be a key differentiator. Stylish, well-installed replacement windows add that wow factor, the subtle yet powerful difference between a home that looks ordinary and one that truly captures attention. Low-maintenance, high-impact modern windows are designed for durability and ease of care. Vinyl and fiberglass frames, for instance, resist warping, fading, and cracking, requiring little more than occasional cleaning. Tilt-in features make glass cleaning simple, even on upper floors. This combination of beauty and practicality means homeowners can enjoy lasting curb appeal without constant upkeep. It's an investment that pays off in both time saved and sustained visual appeal. Personalization. Reflect your style. Finally, window replacement in Scott allows for personalization that reflects your taste. Whether you want grid patterns for a vintage feel, bold black frames for a modern edge, or specialty shapes like arches or circles for architectural flair, customization is at your fingertips. Each choice, from glass tint to frame color, helps define your home's personality, making it distinct from others on your street. Conclusion: investing in window replacement in Scott is one of the most impactful upgrades you can make to enhance your home's curb appeal. From sleek, energy-efficient designs to tailored aesthetics that match your style, new windows transform how your home looks, feels, and functions. They create lasting beauty, boost value, and deliver comfort, proving that the right windows don't just frame your view, they redefine your home's first impression.